Hello everyone, and check out this stylish 3-piece dining set, perfect for any small living space. This versatile square table works beautifully in your kitchen, home office, or cozy breakfast nook. You will love the upgraded upholstered seat cushions and ergonomic backrests designed for long-lasting comfort. The high-quality MDF top and reinforced metal frames provide incredible stability for your daily activities. Additional steel bars allow this sturdy furniture set to support up to 550 pounds. Its elegant black grain texture adds a modern touch, while the chairs tuck neatly underneath to save space. Enhance your apartment decor with this functional and sophisticated furniture set that fits almost anywhere. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.